So pack my bags and let me go. I hear the call, it's time to flow. With every heartbeat, hear my plea. Get me to Spain, where I long to be. Welsh guys to Spanish.
This is the entrance to the maze, and its opening hours is Monday to Friday, 9 to 2, and say about weekends. Today we're at the Labyrinth Casa Tapena. We're at the maze. Labyrinth Casa Tapena. What?
Are we going separately or together?
Oh, I don't know. Well, you can go that way. Found you. Nothing that way, is there? I don't know. That was a long dead end.
No way that way.
That's a long dead end, that one is. Going on for miles. It's going wrong somewhere. Is this the centre? I'm not sure. This is the centre of the maze. It's only looks like a large tree or something. Oh, I was expecting a viewing platform or something. Or a bar. Some sort of reward. You might find a different way back. Oh, I'm going left. Yeah. I'm always keeping the hedge on my left-hand side. I don't know. Don't know now. I'm confused. I'm out. Oh, there we are. Oh, that was a bit of fun for free. There's nice gardens outside the maze. Lovely fountain. Would you call that fountain? Would you call that a pond? Not sure. At the Casa Tapena there's also a fruit orchard. These are all cherry trees. It's all free entry too. There's nobody to take any money, so I'm not quite sure why there's no entry charge. There's a few here. few cherries left after they've been picked. Trees are in lovely condition. There's not a sign of bugs or anything on them. Lovely. Looks like walnuts. Walnut tree.
I've seen a walnut tree before.
Lots of fruits. That's sorbus. That's rowan tree. I don't know what that is. It's very different. Like a gnarly looking pear thing, isn't it?
Quince, maybe?
I think quince grows on a bush with spikes. There's a herb garden here. Lavender, mint. What was this one? Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? And then grapevines there. Oh, rosemary. That's thyme, the purple flowered one. That looks like marrows or courgettes or something there. And a nice row of bush tomatoes. It's nice, much cooler in here. It's a fern garden. Nice, much cooler. There's apples. Apples or pears, maybe? Pear shape. It's a pear shape again, isn't it? And there's some fig trees. Well, there's that Nispero. There's Nispero growing. It's that funny yellow fruit you see in markets. Oh, lovely place. Mediterranean garden. It's more than just a maze then. Yeah.
Nice and quiet.
Yeah, it's lovely. Loving the serenity. Cutting the hedge. Lovely. That's kept nice.
Immaculately, yeah.
Beautifully trimmed hedge.
Probably lovely and peaceful.
Yeah.
Peaceful when they're not trimming the hedges.
Another maze. This is a secret garden. Water lilies and fish. Jardín secreto. smelling that oleander. Just seems to be some of them, doesn't it?
It looks very new.
Yeah. Well maintained.
Single bit of litter.
It's probably the reservoir for the gardens.
On the hand for a coffee shop.
I think so. It's about that time. Probably past it now. Oh, definitely way past it. It's a lovely house. Forest area. Nice, makes a change from palm trees and things. Hotel Insectos. Filled with things for bugs to live in. It's a much bigger bug hotel there. Mediterranean garden.
Finding more and more bits.
There's quite a lot to see here. It's a lovely lily pond. This is what you're smelling, I think. Oh, jasmine, I think. But you need to get close to it to smell it. Living wall. The living wall is actually real plants. Healthy looking too. Evergreen magnolia. Huge flowers on it. That's about the size of a side plate. It's lovely gardens.